Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. So we're looking at the banking sector. The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, says it's working closely with local banks to ensure the restoration of normal services after Hurricane Beryl. In a release, the central bank said issues relating to electricity across the island, the unavailability of staff due to dislocation, and the inability of the service provider to access a number of ABMs will adversely affect the speed at which normalcy is restored. These issues are worse in rural areas, especially those in southern and western parishes. The BOJ says, however, the payment systems it operates, which facilitate the electronic settlement of transactions, are fully operational. It says a number of banks have started to provide limited in-branch services and are working to provide ABM services as widely as possible. Meanwhile, the president of the Jamaica Bankers Association, JBA, Audrey Tugwell Henry, says the members expect normalcy to be returned to the banking system by early next week. She says a number of banks used today to make assessments and complete their business continuity strategies.
Some availability at the ATM. Most ATMs within the corporate area are working. We do have challenges outside of Kingston, a lot of the southern parishes. However, they're doing their best to navigate those areas. But within the corporate area and also like in Montego Bay, they have good access, so they've been working on servicing those ATMs.
Now, she was speaking in an interview with our news center, and Mrs. Tugwell Henry says there has been no adverse effect on digital and mobile banking services. Now to the markets. Now, the first trading session after Hurricane Beryl saw the foreign exchange market end closing today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $157.10. The Canadian is going for $113.87. $198.02 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is trading for $173.25. To the stock market, the first trading session after Beryl saw the JSE index gaining 1,499 points, while the junior market index declined by 14 points. Among the 31 winners were Medical Disposables and Supplies, Regency Petroleum Company, The Lab, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and T-Tech. The 39 losers included JMB Group 8.5% US dollar shares, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Jetcon Corporation, Cygnus Credit Investments Jamaican dollar ordinary shares, and Main Event Entertainment Group. 20 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.